Here's the news of the day.
CycloTech appointed Dr. Marcus Bauer as CEO to lead the company through its growth phase, leveraging his experience at Airbus, Siemens, and Rolls-Royce.
Rotor Technologies partners with Ag-Nav to integrate precision navigation and flow control technology into its Sprayhawk UAV, enhancing automated aerial applications for agriculture.
SkyDrive, SAI Flight, and Greenville Downtown Airport have partnered to develop air cargo, air taxi, and emergency services with the SkyDrive eVTOL aircraft, advancing air mobility in South Carolina.
EHang's Q3 revenue surged 348% to $18.3 million, driven by strong eVTOL sales, despite a $6.9 million net loss. The company expects Q4 revenue to grow 138.5%, reaching $19.3 million.
Diamond Green Diesel completed its first marine shipment of SAF from Port Arthur, Texas, marking a key step in cleaner aviation fuel adoption, and the company plans to upgrade 50% of its production capacity to SAF by 2025.
Unite urges the government to halt the Grangemouth refinery closure and convert it into a sustainable aviation fuel hub, preserving jobs and aligning with green energy goals.
Zen Group has partnered with DHL Japan to use their Go Green Plus service, reducing transportation emissions through sustainable aviation fuel, aiming to promote sustainability in cross-border e-commerce.
Invizyne Technologies received a $2 million Biomade grant to develop sustainable aviation fuel using cell-free biomanufacturing technology in partnership with the University of Georgia.
HSBC Hong Kong, Cathay Pacific, and EcoSeries launched a Hong Kong initiative to decarbonize air travel by using 3,400 metric tons of sustainable aviation fuel for Cathay Pacific flights.
Wheels Up appointed Jill Greer as EVP of Investor Relations and Sustainability, bringing over 20 years of aviation and financial expertise to shape its investment narrative and strengthen investor relationships.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.